So what this is like a little type of bag set that works well with these toilets. It's the exact same thing. You're gonna need these if you're gonna use this. You know what? I've not even had this thing out and looked over it here, but let me show you what all you get with it. Check out this nice convenient bag. This is a great item for anyone that's just like me that does a lot of outdoor camping or anything like that, and you just need to have, you know, sometimes a place to use the bathroom. Let me take it over here and let me show you how to set this thing up. Basically, it's the most simplest thing ever. You see how this works? And then down inside of here is a basket that you push down, and believe it or not, we are set, everybody. That is your portable toilet. And you see how it opens like that? Let's go ahead and let's grab a bag. So this is one of the liners right here. They do have these little perforated edges right here. So you're gonna actually get the liner, run the liner down like this, and then put the seat, goes over like that. And you know what? You are good to go. Oh, I could easily use this one, no problem there. And then after you get done using the bathroom, you get one of these little packets right here. And I actually don't know what these packets are made of. It's kind of a coagulation, so it basically clogs up everything in like a lump. You'll add these packets to there, and it looks like they give you a pretty good amount with the actual portable toilet to open it up and put it down in there. But what I will do, I'll go ahead and pour some water in here. Let's see how this thing works. See if it actually works. You know what? If it uses water, it'll use number 2 and number 1. That would be about the amount of waste you'd want to go. Let's say you have some runny, you know what, number 2. There you go right there. We will actually see that down in there. See that water down in there? Let me grab a little more water. 5-gallon bucket lid. Oh yeah, and you know what? It's brown now. So y'all see down in there? Let's go ahead and tear one of these open. See what it does. So this right here technically should actually clump it up. It is kind of like exorbitant. Oh wow, look at that. It's actually working. I am impressed. This is water, so I can reach in here. Look at this. Look what it turned all the liquid into. It turned it into this gel. I didn't mean for it to spill out like that, but you know what? It's just water, so we're not. Look at what it did. It turned all of the liquid inside of here into a gel. That is impressive. This stuff really works well. Yeah, look, there's no liquid inside this bag anymore. It's a kind of a hardened gel. Yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that just, you know, needs a good portable toilet that will, like, you can take camping with you, or as a backup if your water supply's down and you need to use the bathroom at your house or a campground or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on a, you know, little mini portable collapsible toilet. See y'all in the next video.